Ever feel like your passwords are plotting against you? What if I told you there's a Pythonic way to end the chaos? First up, we're asking for the master password to ensure only you can add or view passwords. Let's get that set up. To make it all work together, we'll set up a simple user interface loop. This lets you choose between adding a new password, viewing existing ones, or quitting the program. Here's the loop that ties everything together. It keeps the program running until you decide to quit. With our add function, you can store names and passwords efficiently in a text file. It's like your personal vault. Next, we'll create a function to view your stored passwords. Say goodbye to forgotten credentials. Our view function reads from the file and displays your stored names and passwords. It's super handy and easy to implement. And there you have it. In just a few lines of code, you've built a basic but functional password manager, perfect for keeping your credentials safe and organized.